Algorand value equivalent to 5.349 rands a coin. The present cost range 5.3935 to 360. The earlier day close 5.618. The change was 0 to 69 or 52%. Backwards rate ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 498 rands. Excessive cost 618, while low cost 498. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 548. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 578. Change for July 16.1%. Algorand figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 578 rands. Excessive cost 717, while low cost 578. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 636. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 670. Change for August 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 670 rands. Excessive cost 748, while low cost 650. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 692. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 699. Change for September 4.3%. Algorand figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 699 rands. Excessive cost 829, while low cost 699. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 751. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 775, change for October 10.9%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 775 rands. Exorbitant cost 775, while low cost 649. The found the middle value of cost 724. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 698, change for November 9.9%. Algorand gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 698 rands. Exorbitant cost 698, while low cost 555. The found the middle value of cost 637. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 597, change for December 14.5%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 597 rands. Exorbitant cost 649, while low cost 565. The found the middle value of cost 605. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 607, change for January 17%. Algorand gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 607 rands. Exorbitant cost 67, while low cost 499. The found the middle value of cost 563. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 537, change for February 11.5%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 537 rands. Excessive cost 584, while low cost 508. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 544. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 546, change for spring 17%. Algorand figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 546 rands. Exorbitant cost 546, while low cost 457. The found the middle value of cost 510. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 491, change for April 10.1%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 491 rands. Exorbitant cost 560, while low cost 486. The found the middle value of cost 515. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 523, change for May 6.5%. Algorand estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 523 rands. Exorbitant cost 649, while low cost 523. The found the middle value of cost 576. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 607, change for June 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 607 rands. Exorbitant cost 660, while low cost 574. The found the middle value of cost 615. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 617, change for July 16%. Algorand conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 617 rands. Excessive cost 671, while low cost 583. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 625. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 627, change for August 16%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at 627 rands. Excessive cost 688, while low cost 598. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 639. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 643, change for September 26%. Algorand conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 643 rands. Excessive cost 798, while low cost 643. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 708, Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 746, change for October 16%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 746 rands. Excessive cost 746, while low cost 613. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 691. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 659, change for November 11.7%. Algorand estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at 659 rands. Exorbitant cost 768, while low cost 659. Found the middle value of cost 701. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 718, change for December 90%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 718 rands. Exorbitant cost 780, while low cost 678. Found the middle value of cost 726. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 729, change for January 15%. Algorand gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 729 rands. Exorbitant cost 793, while low cost 689. Found the middle value of cost 738. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 741, change for February 16%. Algorand cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 741 rands. Exorbitant cost 86, while low cost 7,000. Found the middle value of cost 750. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 753, change for spring 16%. Algorand estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 753 rands. Exorbitant cost 810, while low cost 704. Found the middle value of cost 756. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 757, change for April's of 5%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 757 rands. Excessive cost 757, while low cost 652. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 717. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 701, change for May 74%. Algorand figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 701 rands. Excessive cost 762, while low cost 662. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 709. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 712, change for June 16%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 712 rands. Exorbitant cost 712, while low cost 599. Found the middle value of cost 667. Algorand cost gauge